Ever find yourself just scrolling? You're not alone. We've all been there, trapped in the digital maze, feeling bored and unproductive. But what if you could turn that time into something amazing? You stumble upon a video that promises to change everything about your daily grind. You start using ChatGPT and Notion, planning tasks and setting goals like a pro. Suddenly, it's not just about scrolling, it's about achieving. Before you know it, you're freelancing. That boring time on your phone is now filled with creativity and real hustle. And then it happens, you get your first payment. That smile says it all. You've transformed your downtime into a rewarding career. With each project, you're not just making money, you're making memories. Freelancing opens doors you never knew existed. Picture this, sipping coffee at your favorite cafe, managing your tasks like a boss, all thanks to the power of AI. Your friends start asking you for tips, and suddenly you're the go-to person for productivity advice. Talk about a glow-up. Did you know that using AI can boost your productivity by over 50%? You're not just working hard, you're working smart. That boredom you once felt is long gone. You've tapped into your potential and unlocked a world of opportunities. If you're still scrolling aimlessly, it's time for a wake-up call. Unleash your creativity and seize your dreams with AI. Join the wave of creators using AI to make their lives richer, more fulfilling. You're not just a consumer, you're a creator. Imagine where you could be a few months from now. Every minute counts. Don't let time slip away, use it wisely. Each second wasted is a chance lost, but you have the power to change that narrative. Make every moment count. Transform your time from mindless scrolling to mindful productivity. The choice is yours to make, starting right now. Remember, it's not about the tool but how you choose to use it. Are you ready to invest your time in yourself? Take that first step today. Dive into the resources out there, and you'll surprise yourself with what you can achieve. This could be your story. What will you do with your time? Take control, and let AI be your companion on this journey. So, what do you say? Ready to transform your downtime into a fruitful side hustle? Let's get started. Remember, don't waste time, use AI smartly. Your future self will thank you.